Hi, this is Chad. In this episode, I'm going to discuss on how to solve subtraction of mixed fractions, and I will teach you multiple ways to solve it. So we have our first example here, 6 and 3 fourths minus 3 and 1 fourth. So the first method is to find the difference between these two whole numbers, 6 and 3. Then their difference is added to the difference of the proper fractions. So 6 minus 3, then add plus the difference of these two proper fractions, 3 fourths minus 1 fourth. Now, let's find the difference of these two proper fractions. So first, we copy this 6 minus 3, then plus. Now, since these two fractions are similar fractions, all we have to do is to subtract the numerators. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then copy the common denominator, which is 4. Now, 2 over 4 can be simplified by dividing this fraction by its greatest common factor. Now, the greatest common factor of 2 and 4 is 2. So, let's divide this fraction by 2 over 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, the simplified fraction for this 2 over 4 fraction is 1 half. Now, 6 minus 3 is just 3, then plus 1 half. So 3 plus 1 half is just 3 and 1 half. So this is our answer. Now, another way of solving this problem is to convert these fractions into improper fractions. So to convert this 6 and 3 fourths to improper fractions, we have to multiply this denominator to this whole number. Then their product is to be added to the numerator. So 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Then minus 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Then copy the common denominator, which is 4. Now, 27 minus 13 is just 14. Then copy the denominator, 4. Now, 14 over 4 can be simplified as by dividing these two numbers by its common factor or greatest common factor, which is 2. So, 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now, this 7 halves, we convert this fraction into mixed fraction. So, we have to divide 7 by 2. Now, 7 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. Now, we have a whole number here, 3. And this is our numerator, 1. And the divisor 2 as our denominator. Now, we have our answer here, which is the same as this method, 3 and 1 half. Okay, let's answer the second problem, 10 and 5/8 minus 4 and 1/7. Now, first method is to subtract these two whole numbers, 10 minus 4. Then their difference is to be added to the difference of these two proper fractions. So, 5/8 minus 1 over 7. Now, since these fractions here are dissimilar fractions, so it means that their denominators are not the same. So we have to use the crisscross method to find their difference. So let's copy first 10 minus 4, then plus. Now, we have to cross multiply 5 and 7. So 5 times 7 is 35, minus 1 times 8 is 8. Then fraction bar, 8 times 7 is 56. Okay. 10 minus 4, copy down, then plus. Now, 35 minus 8 is 27 over 56. 10 minus 4 is just 6, then plus 27 over 56. Now 6 plus 27 over 56 is just 6 and 27 over 56. So this is our answer. Now another way of solving this problem is to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay, so 8 times 10 is 80, plus 5 is 85 over 8. Then minus 7 times 4 is 28, plus 1 is 29. Then copy the denominator, 7. Now let's use the crisscross method. So 85 times 7 is 595. Then minus 29 times 8 is 232. Then fraction bar. 8 times 7 is 56. Okay? Then 595 minus 232 is 363. Then copy 56. Then let's convert this 363 over 56 into mixed fraction. So we have to divide 363 by 56. So 363 divided 56 is 6. Then 6 times 56 is 336. Now let's subtract 363 minus 336 is 27. So we have the whole number here, 6. And this is our numerator, is 27. Then our divisor, 56, as our denominator. So now let's answer our final example. 9 and 4/9 minus 7 and 3/5. So first, we have to find the difference between these two whole numbers. So 9 minus 7. Then their difference is to be added to the difference of these two proper fractions. So 4/9 minus 3/5. Now these fractions here are the similar fractions, so we have to use the crisscross method. But first, let's copy down 9 minus 7, then plus. Now let's use the crisscross method. So 4 times 5 is 20, minus 3 times 9 is 27. Then fraction bar, 9 times 5 is 45. Right? So 9 minus 7 plus. Now 20 minus 27 is negative 7. Then copy 45 as the denominator. Now 9 minus 7 is 2. Then plus negative 7 over 45. Now plus a negative should become negative. So 2 minus 7 over 45. Then any whole number is understood that there is a denominator 1 here, right? So we have to subtract 2 over 1 minus 7 over 45. Then these fractions here are dissimilar fractions, so we have to use the crisscross method. So 2 times 45 is 90. Then minus 7 times 1 is 7. Now 1 times 45 is just 45. Now 90 minus 7 is 83. Then copy 45. Okay, let's convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So let's divide 83 by 45. 83 divided by 45 is 1. 1 times 45 is 45. Then let's subtract. 83 minus 45 is 38. Now we have a whole number here, 1. Now this is our numerator, 38. And this is our denominator, 45. And this is our answer. Now another way of solving this problem is to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now 9 times 9 is 81, plus 4 is 85. Then copy 9 as denominator. Then minus 5 times 7 is 35, plus 3 is 38. And then copy 5 as denominator. Now let's use the crisscross method to find the difference of these two improper fractions. Now 85 times 5 is 425. Then minus 38 times 9 is 342. Now 9 times 5 is 45. 425 minus 342 is just 83. Then copy 45 as the denominator. Now let's convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So let's divide 83 by 45. So 83 divided by 45 is 1. 1 times 45 is 45. Let's subtract. 83 minus 45 is 38. Now we have the whole number here, 1. Then this is our numerator, 38. And this is our denominator, 45. So basically, the method here produces the same result to the previous method we used. So which do you think is the easier method on subtracting mixed fractions? Comment down below and see you next time.